Hello. In this video, we'll see how to write alphabet T. As you can see on the right side of the screen here, we'll start reading. This is T, Tu, Ti, Ta, Te, T, To. Good. So I will show you how to write it. Okay, so this is T, again T, okay. So I put 7th A here. I will add some features to it to make it read to the So this is the, if I add this line, it reads 2. This one is T, Ta, Te, T, To. Okay. So once you practice, it will be very easy to write it. So Te, Tu, Ti, Ta, this is short, this is longer. Te, T, okay, sorry about that. To, final to, okay. So I want you to see the difference between te and te. Many people don't read it properly. They say te instead of te. This is te, not te. Te, tu, ti, ta, te, tu, to. Okay. So what is this one? To, right? Like this. This is te. This is tu. Ti. Ta here. Te. Tu. And finally, to. All right. This is that would eat at it. I will come with other contents in the next videos. Thank you. Bye.